Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And today, Virgos, I'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So, this will be the card, we will leave it here. And one card from the fortune cookie deck. So, that will be your lucky inspiration. So, Virgos, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. Before that, guys, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, so you can contact her. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Ace of Cups in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse, and Sun. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you would have trusted certain people, maybe in your work, trusted them for some work or some decisions, but today you would have realized that they cannot be trusted because what you expected or what you had hoped for has not happened. So a lot of confusion, doubts may be there, something is not right in your work maybe or in your relationship. Maybe you relied on this person for certain things, but this person has proved that they cannot be trusted. So they have something hidden. Maybe they are hiding their true emotions in this relationship. That may be true. So you love this person, you trust them, and you want them in this connection. But what you are getting today, what emotions that are reciprocated from this person is something different. They may seem like a good person, a loving, caring, and understanding person, but their true feelings or their true face is not shown to you. So whatever this person speaks or whatever way they behave in, that is what you know. But deep down in their heart of hearts, they are hiding something. They have some secrets, or they are, not truthfully in this relationship with you. So this person cannot be trusted, Virgos. And maybe for some of you, if you have doubts, if you feel that this person is not right, they are not good, they cannot be trusted, maybe for some of you this circumstance may change, because with this card, the Sun card, it's a very positive card. So whatever negative energy we get in a reading, it is simply mitigated. So maybe for some of you, your circumstance will change, this person will change, or you will come to a beautiful understanding with this person. So circumstances are changing, that is what I see. Maybe you had doubts and confusion, but today there is a chance for change in your life today, Virgos. So for your relationship, we have one more card. It's Page of Pentacles in reverse. So, with this card in your relationship, maybe things are really bad, not so good. Maybe for some of you, things may not work out, and this relationship may not be it's not meant to be for some of you. But for some of you, I feel that your circumstances will change, Virgos, if you can just wait, if you can just hold on. That is what I see. So, it all depends on you, Virgos. We may have a negative energy with these cards, but these are just cards. These cards may just point out to you what you need to work on. So, your life is in your hands. So, if you want this love to work, you need to make the efforts needed. Whatever needs to be done, you will know what you need to do, Virgos. So, for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Ace of Swords in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, you need to be really careful what choices you make, what decisions you make, because you may ruin good opportunities or good offers coming your way by your impulsive actions. So you need to be really focused, pay a lot of attention, and think clearly if you are making important decisions today, Virgos. So act with clarity. That is what I see for your career. So let's see what is the card for your message. The message your person wants to tell you. I will make things right between us one day. So this is what they feel. Maybe they know their mistakes and they want to change those mistakes. That is a beautiful message from your person, guys. So they love you, they want a beautiful relationship with you. That is the energy with this card. So the fortune cookie for you all today, Virgos, we will see what it is. Signs. Your future positive direction will reveal itself. Any doubts and confusions will soon disappear. So a very good positive inspiration for you today, Virgos. So things are definitely changing. That is the energy here. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Virgos. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye, Virgos.